What is the definition characteristic of simple harmonic motion? Motion with a restoring force proportional to displacement. Which of the following quantities remain constant throughout simple harmonic motion? Mechanical energy. A mass of 0.5 kg is attached to a spring with a spring constant of 50 Newton per meter. If the mass undergoes SHM with an amplitude of 0.2 meter, what is the maximum force exerted by the spring? (10 Newton). A mass attached to a spring undergoes SHM with a frequency of 2 Hz. What is the period of oscillation? (1 second). A spring with a spring constant of 200 Newton per meter is stretched by 0.1 meters. What is the restoring force acting on it? (20 Newton). In SHM, where is the acceleration maximum? At the extreme position. What is the relationship between the frequency and period of an object in SHM? They are inversely proportional. An object of mass 0.5 kg oscillates with an amplitude of 0.2 meter and a frequency of 5 Hz. What is the maximum kinetic energy of the object? (0.4 joule). A pendulum has a period of 2 seconds. What is the frequency of oscillation? 0.5 Hz. In SHM, what is the phase difference between displacement and acceleration? 180 degree. What is the amplitude of an oscillation object? The maximum displacement from the mean position. A spring mass system oscillates with a frequency of 3 Hz. What is the period of oscillation? 0.3 seconds. A mass spring system has a spring constant of 500 Newton per meter. If the mass attached to it is 2 kg, what is the frequency of oscillation? 5 Hz. The restoring force in SHM is directly proportional to displacement. An object oscillates with a period of 0.4 seconds. What is the frequency of oscillation? 2.5 Hz. A spring mass system has an amplitude of 0.1 meter and a spring constant of 400 Newton per meter. What is the maximum potential energy of the system? 4 joule. In SHM, what is the relationship between displacement and restoring force? They are directly proportional. What is the total energy of an object in SHM? Sum of kinetic and potential energy. The time taken by an object to complete one full oscillation is known as period. A pendulum swings back and forth with a period of 1.5 seconds. What is its frequency of oscillation? 0.67 Hz. A mass spring system oscillates with an amplitude of 0.2 meter and a frequency of 4 Hz. What is the maximum velocity of the mass? 1.6 meter per second. In SHM, where is the velocity maximum? At the mean position. What is the phase difference between velocity and displacement in SHM? 0 degree. A pendulum oscillates with an amplitude of 0.2 meter and a frequency of 2 Hz. What is the maximum velocity of the pendulum bob? 0.4 meter per second. An object oscillates with a frequency of 10 Hz and an amplitude of 0.1 meter. What is the maximum acceleration of the object? 10 meter per second square. An object oscillates with an amplitude of 0.3 meters and a maximum velocity of 0.6 meter per second. What is its maximum kinetic energy? 0.18 joule.